Hey y'all, so I'm Siobhan and I want to show you guys my Versace shades. Now I did an unboxing video that I'm going to show you guys as well, but this right here, I just want to show you guys the details and close up of what I got, right? So I got these about 3 weeks ago for vacation, and yeah, I love them. And I'm seeing a lot of people with them now, so I'm like, let me do a review just in case you want to buy them, because when I opened it, I was in shock. Ready? Ready. So here we go. This is the box, and as you open it, voila, right? You get a Versace case. Inside you have like the warranty and glasses case. You can put your glasses in this, right? So I'm gonna put that to the side, and so now to get to the glasses, right? Open up. This is what's in there. It's the glasses, right? So when I bought my shades, I only expected to buy one shade, right? But by surprise, it came with an extra lens. I think that's so dope, because they don't even tell you that on the details when you're ordering it. They just come with an extra lens, like, yes. So I got two for the price of one. So they gave you a black, right? This is what was on there first. So it's just sorry. And I changed it to, I changed it to this one. This has like a little purple tint. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. You can see that, right? So this is like purple tinted, ombre down to like a brown color, and then you got the Versace logo on the side there, right? Oh, I think it's so cool. I'm gonna show you guys how to take it off, but this is, ooh, hold on, yes. Got my lashes on, so don't you see that? You fancy. You see Nicki Minaj and a lot of celebrities wear these. This is awesome. I love them. So let me show you guys how to take off the lens, how to change the lens. It's simple. So this is like a magnet, right? These are magnets here, these little ovals. So what you do is just pull it off, slide it out, boom, and then you only got this. I don't know, I'm not, I'm not like that extremely fashionable, but it's still cute if you want to be different, Boom. I think it's cute. You're gonna be like, what you wearing? I'm wearing Versace, baby. Let me stop. And then to put it back on, right? This is the black one. You take it and it just like, okay, VIP. These shits is fancy. These shits is nice. I like it. See you? Oh. And that's it. It really look like two different glasses. Now, when I wear this with my black mask, I be incognito, honey. The mask, okay? Who is she? Like, I don't want nobody talking to me. See me in my Versace shades, Versace shades. Don't talk to me. Who is she? Oh, okay. Nah, let me stop. But yeah, that's it. These are the Versace shades. If you have any other questions, you can ask. But that's it. You order the shades, and they give you a little case, a little they give it extra frame. You got this case, You got a nice hefty box, which I still keep it in. And you got these, you know. So I say get them. My face, I have a big face, I believe. I would like to believe I have a big face. So most glasses, they fit me. They go with my face. But they're kind of big, obviously. So you might want to go to the store and try them on first before you just order online. But if you're lucky like me when it comes to wearing glasses, girl, go get you some. Anyways, thanks for watching. Oops.